Before we jump into today's topic, let me tell you a quick story. Imagine you're a real estate agent on a beautiful Saturday afternoon. You're showing a property to a young family that's excited about buying their first home.
At the same time, a homeowner across town decides it's finally time to sell and calls your office. A few minutes later, an investor sees one of your online listings and calls with questions. Then a couple driving through a neighborhood spots one of your yard signs and wants to know more.
The problem? You're busy. You're doing exactly what successful agents should be doing, meeting clients and showing properties. But while you're occupied, those calls go unanswered.
The homeowner leaves a voicemail, the investor hangs up and calls another agent, the couple at the yard sign never leaves a message at all. 3 opportunities, 3 potential commissions gone.
Now, imagine a different scenario. Every call is answered immediately. Every prospect receives information. Every lead is qualified. Every conversation is documented. Every appointment is scheduled. And every opportunity is captured.
That's exactly why voice AI is becoming such a powerful tool in real estate. Today's episode is really about one simple idea. What if your business could respond instantly to every opportunity, even when you're unavailable? Let's find out.
Today, we're talking about something that's creating a major competitive advantage for real estate professionals: voice AI.
Specifically, we're discussing 6 game-changing benefits of Voice AI Plus for real estate agents and brokerages.
If you've ever missed a call while showing a property, sat through a weekend of voicemail messages, or spent thousands generating leads that never turned into conversations, this episode is for you.
Let's dive in. But before we continue,
Make sure you pound that like button.
and subscribe to our channel to get our latest videos on AI.
And drop your thoughts in the comments section. We want to hear from you. Let's start with a simple question. How much money does a real estate agent spend generating leads?
For many agents, it's thousands of dollars every month. Google ads, Facebook ads, listing services, open houses, direct mail, referral programs, the list goes on.
And after all that effort and expense, something surprisingly simple can cause a lead to disappear. No one answers the phone.
That's the reality. A buyer sees a listing. A homeowner wants to sell. An investor is looking for opportunities. They call, the agent is busy, the call goes to voicemail, the prospect immediately calls someone else.
And that's why speed to lead has become one of the most important metrics in real estate today.
The first major benefit of Voice AI Plus is immediate response. The system answers every call on the first ring, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year.
And that's important because real estate doesn't operate on a normal schedule. People browse listings at night, they drive through neighborhoods on weekends, they call during lunch breaks, they call during holidays.
Voice AI Plus ensures that every prospect gets an immediate response regardless of when they call. No voicemail, no waiting, no missed opportunities.
And in an industry where the first agent to respond often wins the business, that's a huge advantage. The second benefit is automated lead qualification. Let's be honest, not every inquiry deserves the same level of attention.
Exactly. Agents spend a tremendous amount of time sorting through inquiries. Some are serious buyers, some are curious neighbors, some are months away from making a decision.
Voice AI Plus can ask qualifying questions automatically. Questions like, are you looking to buy or sell? Are you pre-approved? What's your budget? When are you planning to move?
By the time the lead reaches the agent, the most important information has already been gathered. That means agents spend more time closing deals and less time chasing unqualified prospects. The third benefit is one that many agents underestimate: CRM integration.
Anyone who has worked in sales knows that data entry is one of the least enjoyable parts of the job.
After a long day of showings, the last thing most agents want to do is manually enter notes into a CRM. But if they don't, valuable information gets lost.
Voice AI Plus solves that problem. Every conversation can be transcribed, summarized, categorized, and automatically pushed into the CRM.
The result is better follow-up, better organization, and fewer leads falling through the cracks.
Let's talk about scheduling, because scheduling can be surprisingly complicated.
Especially in real estate, you're coordinating buyers, sellers, inspectors, lenders, attorneys, and everyone has different availability.
Voice AI Plus can connect directly to calendars and scheduling systems. When someone wants to book a showing or consultation, The AI can present available times immediately.
The prospect chooses a time, the appointment gets booked, calendar invites are sent automatically, and reminders can be scheduled.
No phone tag, no endless text messages, no scheduling headaches.
Here's one of my favorite examples from the article. Yard sign inquiries.
Someone drives through a neighborhood, they see a property they like, they call the number on the sign, their interest is at its highest point.
But if they hit voicemail, that excitement disappears quickly.
Voice AI Plus can answer immediately, provide listing details, answer questions, and capture contact information.
Instead of becoming a missed opportunity, that inquiry becomes a qualified lead. And that can happen 24 hours a day.
The sixth benefit is cost reduction. Hiring full-time staff for around-the-clock phone coverage is expensive.
Very expensive. Salaries, benefits, training, vacation coverage, overtime, the costs add up quickly.
Traditional answering services can also be costly and often lack integration with modern CRM and scheduling systems.
Voice AI Plus provides predictable costs while delivering consistent service around the clock. And unlike human staff, it can handle multiple calls simultaneously.
Let's look at the example from the article. Imagine a busy Saturday afternoon. Every agent is out showing homes.
Meanwhile, 5 separate inquiries come into the office. 2 callers want information from yard signs. 1 investor wants a consultation. 2 homeowners want listing appointments.
Without automation, those calls might all go to voicemail, and many of those prospects would likely call another agency.
With Voice AI Plus, every call gets answered, appointments get scheduled, property information gets delivered, lead details get captured, and everything gets entered into the CRM.
When the team returns to work Monday morning, they're looking at qualified opportunities instead of missed messages. We've covered a lot today, so let's take a moment to recap what we've learned.
At its core, Voice AI Plus solves one of the biggest challenges in real estate: missed opportunities. When prospects can't reach you, they often move on to the next agent.
We talked about how Voice AI answers every call immediately, eliminating the speed to lead problem that costs agents potential clients every day.
We discussed automated lead qualification, which allows agents to spend less time sorting through inquiries and more time working with serious buyers and sellers.
We also explored CRM integration, where conversations are automatically summarized, documented, and stored for future follow-up.
Then we looked at appointment scheduling, which removes the friction of coordinating property tours and consultations.
We examined how Voice AI transforms simple yard signs into active lead generation assets.
And finally, we talked about reducing overhead costs while increasing responsiveness and scalability.
The common thread through all of these benefits is simple: more conversations, more qualified leads, more opportunities, more potential closings.
Let's finish with 3 key takeaways. Takeaway number 1, every missed call is a potential lost commission. Marketing generates opportunities, but responsiveness converts opportunities into clients. Takeaway number 2,
Automation isn't replacing agents, it's helping agents focus on what they do best: building relationships, negotiating deals, and serving clients. Takeaway number 3,
the brokerages that respond faster, follow up consistently, and capture every lead will have a significant advantage over competitors who still rely on voicemail and manual processes.
technology doesn't close deals, people close deals.
But technology can make sure fewer opportunities are missed.
Now it's time for this week's actionable item.
For the next 7 days, keep track of every call your office misses. Not just after hours, every missed call.
Then categorize them. Was it a buyer inquiry, a seller inquiry, a yard sign call, an investor, or an existing client?
At the end of the week, calculate how many potential opportunities were delayed or potentially lost because nobody answered immediately.
Then ask yourself one important question. If every one of those calls had been answered instantly, how much additional revenue could your business have generated?
That answer may reveal one of the biggest hidden growth opportunities in your real estate business.
And it might completely change the way you think about lead management moving forward.
If you found this episode helpful, subscribe so you don't miss future discussions on AI, automation, marketing, and business growth.
And if you know a real estate professional who could benefit from capturing more leads and reducing administrative workload, share this episode with them.
Thanks for listening.
We'll see you next time on AI for Beginners Demystified.